Welcome back. Today we will see one of the very important algorithm in artificial intelligence. It is AO star algorithm. So we already know about A star algorithm. So this AO star we can tell as an extension of A star algorithm. So it's actually we can tell it is a heuristic algorithm. Heuristic search algorithm in the sense we will get the result as with the minimum values or minimum path values. Okay, so here you want to know actually we are going with the two particular things. One will be with the and arc. Okay, that means that connections. So in this question or the graph, there will be some arc. So that path we have to take always together. Okay, that's why and operation we are using. So there will be some path which is independent. So that like similar to the or operation. So that's what's here written. Some nodes require all nodes, okay, and some nodes require only one child node. So we will see this one problem, so it will be clear for you. So now you can see here on graph. Here, this representing the nodes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the nodes. Okay. So this E, F, G, H, I was the leaf node. So all the numbers in bracket, it is written here. See, it is called the heuristic value, or we will mention as H here. Okay. So this B, the H of B is 4, H of C is 2, like this. Okay. And the length A to B, the path length here, that will be 1 as default. So B to E, this is 1. B to F 1. So that means all the path length will be 1 as default and the heuristic value H of B will be 4, H of C will be 2. That's given in the question. But this heuristic value will be changed. Okay, by we are calculating with the path, this heuristic value will be changed. The final result of this AO star will be with the minimum value, minimum heuristic value. Okay, now we'll see this problem. Okay, now we will start step number one. What I'm telling here, it is written also. Now you see from here. So always from the node, from the root node, always start from this side. Okay, so you can see from A, you can see the path A, B, A, C, A, D. But we can't take C separately, D separate. So this is called the AND arc. So you can take always A to B and A to C, D. Okay, like that combine only you can take. Now we'll see A to B. So that's here written, see A to B. A to B when we are taking, you have to see take the heuristic value of B plus this path value. So in this slide, what I am written these notes, you always see H. Okay, the term which is written as H will be this bracket, that value, heuristic value, what is given in the question, and this GOB will be the path length. So already I told all the path length will be 1. So now A to B, what we can write, H of B plus G of B. So H of B is what? 4 and G of B is what? 1, right? So I will write that also. Okay, yeah. So here this is B and this is 1, right? 4 plus 1, 5. That's what written here. Okay. And now we'll see this side. That means A to C, D. That side you see. A to C, D, when you are seeing, you can see same thing. Okay, we can A to C and A to D. C, if you are considering, here you can tell what G of C plus H of C. What is G of C? That I told it is 1. What is H of C? 2. So 2 plus 1, what is the answer? 3. And this side you see, here H of D is 3, G of D is 1. So 3 plus 1, here it is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus this side 2 plus 1, 3. So 4 plus 3, it is 7. That's why written 5 and 7. Okay. So what actually after this, we have to see 5 and 7. Compare 5 and 7. The smaller one is 5. So that's why what we will do, we have to go by this and we have to calculate all this value. Then we have to come back and we have to calculate this side. So now why? Because 5 is small. If this side is small, we will check this side first. Okay, that is the rule. So now we will go here because this is the smallest one. So we are going. And now we will come back here. We won't go this side because I told always take from this side. So now we are in the B. Right. So now from the B also, we have to take first B to E and B to F. Okay, I think that is here in the next slide. Yeah, this side. Okay. So here, what I written here, we written 5, and this side we written 7, right? Okay. Now we will see here B. B to E. Again, B to C, what we will write. See here written B to E, what we'll write? H of E plus G of E. That means 6 plus 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 7. Okay. And this side you see. So actually it was written 4. Now it was wrong. Now we got 7. And this side now you see 8 plus 1. What is the answer? 9. Right. Correct. So we got 7 and 9. So what we will assume? The smallest one we have to take. 7 or 9 is the smallest, 7 is the smallest. So we are thinking the H heuristic value of B will be 7, right? So if the heuristic value is 7, previously we got this value. How we got this value? Previously we taken the heuristic value of B, 4 plus 1, 5. Now we came to know the calculation 4 was wrong and 7 was the answer. So 7 and here again. So we have to backtrack and we have to go and calculate again. So this is 7 and this path value is 1, right? So 7 plus 1, it is 8. So the answer 5. So I will use another color for your understanding. So now this 5 is wrong. And what is the answer? Actually, the answer is 8. Correct. I think it is written. See, upgrade with 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So now you see 8 and 7. So which is the smallest one? 7, correct? So anyway, now what we have to do? We have to go this side now. Okay, we have to calculate this side. Okay. So now, yeah. Now we'll see the next side. I think, yeah. So now we'll see here. Now we here up to here we completed, right? Now again from C and D, which one we will calculate first? We have to go always this side, so we will calculate C to G. What is this C to G value? 2, 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1, what is the answer? Now again I will change the color. So okay, 2 plus 1. See, 2 plus 1. It is already written 2. It was wrong. It is now 3. And this side, what is the answer? Here it is 0. 0 means it is a leaf node. Okay. 0 plus 1. Here also you see the arc. Arc means what? You have to combine and take. You are not supposed to take one on separate. We can't take. Combine, you take. So 0 plus 1. And here it is again 0 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So 3 and 2, we got the heuristic value C. From here, which is the smallest one? Smallest one is 2, right? So now 2 actually we have to take from here because here we previously we are not knowing, that's why we taken C. Now it is 2 plus 1, 3 like that you will get, but that is wrong. Why? Because it is and, right? So we have to calculate this side also. Then only we can take, right? So keep this 3 and 2 as it is and come this side and check remaining things. Okay. Now we'll go with the this side D and J. What is the answer here? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Correct. So here it is 1. Now you see 1 and here 1. Okay. 1 plus 1. Okay. What is the answer? Sorry. 1 plus 1, 2. And this side 2 plus 1, 3. Correct. So 2 plus 1, 3. And here 1 plus 1, it is coming as 2. So what is the answer? It is 5. Okay. And now you see another thing. Here it is coming as 0 means you have the solution. So some of the problem you won't get 0. That means it's already it is there in the question. So 0 means the sense we have a solution. So now the heuristic value. The finally you have to write the heuristic value of A is what is the heuristic value of A? It is 5. Okay. Then what is the heuristic value of B? Heuristic value of B will be 7, right? Yeah, 7. And heuristic value of C is 2. And heuristic value of D is heuristic value of D is 1. And heuristic value of E, F, G, H, I, there is no change. Why? Because it is leaf node, never will change. All these steps, it was written in this. Okay, so you will understand from your the notes. Now you have to write like this. The final values: A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 1, E, F, G, H, I, as it is same as the question, because it is a leaf node, it won't be changed. So this is what about the A-Star algorithm. Hope the video is very clear for you. Thank you.